Oh,
lived in guilt, shame, fear. I was around it. I learned the language of guilt from a very young age.
mhm.
I'm not sure if that's why I process it this way or not, but in your experience, do men process guilt differently than women do?
Yes, research and clinical observation actually does suggest that men and women often experience guilt and shame very differently. So, with guilt, first of all, let me differentiate between this is I did something bad. So
Right.
guilt is behavior focused,
Right.
right?
Yep.
Shame, on the other hand, is very self-focused. So shame is I am bad,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
So women internalize shame. They're more prone to experiencing shame. I think a lot of it is rooted in our cultural associations with body appearance and all of that, right? um, that is what the research shows us.
It does. So there is a difference. So when men come to you, are they are they feeling are they feeling less guilty than women and less shameful than women?
To your point, it depends, I feel like, on the situation. It depends on your upbringing. It depends on your sense of responsibility. It depends on your sense of self. And all of those things play a role. As I mentioned before, nothing in therapy is or in psychology is very correlational. Um, to your point, your buddies, if they had gone through that experience, probably wouldn't have associated it with as much guilt as you did. But you had that background, which
Yes.
made you feel like you were at fault, which gave birth to your feelings in regards to this situation.
Exactly. That's that I'm on board with that.